Hello viewer, congratulations to new tutorial on JDPen 5.5 English. Into that video tutorial, I'll talk about uh, commonly used phenomena of JDPen. Let's get started. Before get started, let's make some line, Control W, to make you understand the topic more clearly. Okay. Here, let's convert it to node edit tool. I wanna edit it. Sometimes you need to edit a spline or line or any design. How to edit a design according to your choice, according to your thinking, or like your requirement. Okay. Okay. For example, this is a node of all. Okay. You can like move it 1 mm right, left, up, down using the arrow of your keyboard. Okay. Or you can like point 1 mm. Okay. It's also possible, but more slower. It needed some time to give a preferable shape of your design. Okay. You can delete this node. Okay, or you can generate a node. Just right click or something like click somewhere and insert. But shortcut is more better. That's double click. Okay. Double click. Okay. Now there's more option, like for example, Control W, like that. Okay. These two parts not connected. Okay, you want to connect, merge it together. This one option, merge. Okay. Okay. This is merge, but it's not kind of. You can make it more smoother. Okay. Okay. Symmetric. Okay. See later. Let's go one by one. You have Mars. You can even like break it. How? If you like move somewhere, it's not separated. It's already connected. But you want to break it. For example, break means like separate it. See, separate, totally separate. Okay. See, break. You want to merge or break, you can do according to requirement. Okay, fantastic. Now here's something, convert to lines. For example, you want to convert here to this point into a line. Therefore you need to select it and convert to line. You're gonna get a line. Whenever it converted to line, if you just want to move, it won't distort. It will move maintaining the line. Okay. Okay. You can again convert to what? Smooth. Not smooth. See, it is smooth, but not this smooth. How to make it smooth? Convert to Bezier. Okay. Now it is okay. See. Now it is smooth. Okay. Now one more thing, and I'll show you what is it. For example, okay, smooth. Oh, sorry, smooth. Okay, you know this smooth. Make it symmetric. Okay. Now you want to like kind of want to change it. only this node to this node you wanna change, not here to here. Out of this node and out of this node you don't like to change the, but you want to change inside this two node. Wow! This one thing you can do, convert it to cusp. Now it is something like separate. See, there then you can change here, but here is changing, but because it is not cusp. See how to make it, like select it and cusp it. Now it is something like independently moving. Okay. See, say fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Okay. See. Again, you can convert to small. Small. Okay. Now it's no longer cusp. Okay, you can convert to arc even. Convert to like this one. Arc. See, arc. You can do according to your color. Now, like select this one, symmetry is okay. Node alignment. Node and alignment, you need to select two nodes. For example, I want to select these two nodes. I want to align these two nodes. For example, see, if you click top, it will come to top. Following this node, it will be parallel. See, this parallel. And now if you want to like align to left, this will come to this parallel here. Okay. And like right, same thing. Okay. Now overlap. How to overlap something? Overlap, there's an overlap because there's any kind of point that overlap with each other. How to make overlap? To show you, let's draw something. What? For example, rectangle. And okay, that's rectangle. Okay. Now like Control W. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4 overlaps? If you go here, select all. Now show overlap. What is saying? How? Sorry, one thing. You need to like before select it. Now you need to convert into group, something like make all the thing in a one combination. Okay. Now if you select one, all thing will be selected. Let's do one more thing. Okay. Combine. Okay. Now let's convert it here. Yes, this is all selected together. Now if you show intersect, so 1, 2, 3, 4 intersect. Now if you select this one and show intersect, one intersection. Okay. Show overlap, no overlap. No overlap. Okay. Okay. Mouse back. No. This kind of thing you need to work with. Okay. Now one more thing I show you. That is about. Let's make a rectangle. You want to edit corner or some other position or something like. So this kind of design I've done randomly. Now you want to change the corner. Okay, how? you just come here. Yes, this one. You need to select this curve replace. Let's arc replace. Let's do all replace here to here and right click on that. See, it has replaced with the new line. Okay, you can arc replace something like and right click. See, or some the spline replace. Right click. See, fantastic. That kind of replace is sometimes needed to make the design more smoother and more user friendly. Okay, or I show here too. What? Let's spline. Yes. Right click. See. I show here to spline. Just put it here. Right click like that. Okay. You can do a lot of things. Thank you so much. Goodbye for this. Up to this point, this part. If you see all the things step by step, I think you will get a awesome concept about JDP. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.